Yappa, 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 yappa. Shut it, place.
Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. This one is Habanero Apricot Buffalo Sauce. Hope you like it. Let's get started.
Ooh, I'm about to make a name for myself, yeah.
Okay, so for this sauce, we're gonna need 8 habaneros, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, half a cup of white vinegar, half a cup of water, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tin of apricot halves. Would be a 400 gram tin. So for this one, we're going to chop the chili and the garlic and get that straight into a pan on the heat. We'll also need half a cup of butter, 1.5 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. We're going to fry them off slightly and then add our liquids. So we're going to add in the half a cup of white vinegar, half a cup of water and half a cup of apple cider vinegar. We're then going to allow that to simmer for 5 minutes until the chili is softened, and then we're going to add in the apricots and simmer for another 5 to 10 until they're starting to break down, and then we're going to go straight away and blend that. We're going to strain it through a sieve just to make sure we've got no excess bits and chunks floating around. This one, I had a friend with an allergy, so we were using dairy-free butter, and I'd never tried it before, and it wasn't too bad.
Nice.
We're going to pop that sauce back on the heat. We're going to add in our white wine vinegar, the 1.5 tablespoons worth, the dash of Worcestershire sauce, and also your half a cup of butter. Allow that to simmer for a little while till it's all completely blended, and it's ready to cool and serve. Thanks for watching, everyone. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Okay.
So there's no
doors over there.
no, but